Hey guys, this is Karen from Curl House, and today I'm going to show you how to properly detangle hair. So before cleansing your hair, make sure you go in and pre-detangle your hair. So this is my client. She is coming out of a twist out. So prior to wetting her hair, I'm just coming in here and removing any tangles. So this is called a pre-detangle. If it's easier, you can put a little bit of conditioner in the hair to soften the hair, or you could put some coconut in your hair prior to wash day. Coconut oil takes about 8 hours to saturate the hair shaft. So if you want to do a pre-poo using coconut oil, you can use that the day before. Okay, so my client's hair has been properly shampooed, and now I have placed conditioner all throughout her hair. It is best to detangle the hair with a generous amount of conditioner because conditioner provides slip, so it makes it easier to detangle the hair. So when you detangle, take a small section of hair, part it. It doesn't have to be an even part. Notice I'm using a wide tooth comb. A detangling comb is what I call it. And when you detangle, take a section, start from the bottom of the hair and detangle down. After this section has been detangled, you can put it in a braid or a twist. Take a small section of hair, start at the bottom, and work your way up. Put it in a twist or a braid. Now, some people prefer to detangle with a detangling brush. Very same concept. Take a section of hair, start from the bottom, and work your way to the base. Now, as you can see, all of her hair has been properly detangled and either braided or twisted in small sections. Now, let me tell you the secret. When you rinse the conditioner out, keep your braids or twists in. Don't take them out. Keep them in. This is going to make it easier for you to style when you keep the twist in because the hair will stay detangled. This is very important for those of you who have really thick and full hair. When you rinse your conditioner out, keeping the twist in, therefore when it's time to style your hair won't be all over the place. It will already be properly sectioned off and detangled. So now we're going to come on over to the shampoo bowl so that I can rinse this conditioner out. Okay, so all the conditioner has been rinsed out. Again, the twists are still in. If there's a little bit of conditioner left in the hair, it's okay. So right now I'm about to twist her hair. It's already sectioned off, already detangled, and I am ready to roll. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more information about how to care for your natural hair. And if you want to learn about hair loss, subscribe below and turn on your notifications. Until we talk again, stay fabulous.